Hello everyone. So this is the question from CSAT 2016 UPSC exam. Let us see how we can solve this. The question is a class starts at 11 a.m. So class is starting at 11 a.m. and lasts till 2:27 p.m. So class is from 11 to 2:27, right? Now, four periods are of equal duration are held during this interval. So there are four periods, and after every period a rest of 5 minutes is given to the student. So how many rests are given to the student? If there are four periods, means one period, then a rest of 5 minutes, right? Then one period, then a rest of 5 minutes, then one period, then a rest of 5 minutes, and then the last period. So three rests are given to the student. And now the exact duration of each period is, so we have to calculate the exact duration of each period. So let us see how we can solve this. Okay, let us see. So the time is from 11 to 2:27, right? So this time interval there, if we can calculate, it is of 3 hours and 27 minutes, right? It is of 3 hours and 27 minutes. So if we convert these hours into minutes, it will be 3 into 60, so 180. So 180 plus 27 gives us the 180 plus 27 gives us 207, right? So this is the total time in which the classes are held, and also the time of interval. So there are three intervals, each of 5 minutes. So 15, 5 into 3 is 15, that is interval time. So just minus it from the total time. 207 minus 15, so this will be 192. Now there are four periods and each are of equal duration, means we have to divide this 192 by 4. This will give the time duration of each period. So 192 by 4 will give us 48 minutes. So each period, it means each period is of 5 minutes. So let us see how. First period 48 minutes, then a 5 minutes break, then 48 minutes, 5 minutes break, then 48 minutes and a 5-minute break, then a period of 48 minutes. So this will give us the total time, which was 207 minutes, right? So this is all for today. I hope you understand the trick. Let me explain this once more. So the question is, a class starts at 11 a.m. and lasts till 2:27 p.m., right? So class was starting at 11 a.m. and lasted 2:27, and the four periods are given equal durations. After every period a rest of 5 minutes, and so we have to calculate the exact duration of period. So 11 to 2:27 makes there are four periods in this time. So after every period there is a break of 5 minutes, means three breaks are given of 5 minutes, 5 minutes each. Now the time from 11 to 2:27 is 3 hours and 27 minutes. So when we calculate this 3 hour 27 minutes into minutes, so we get 207 minutes. Now there was a break of 15 minutes, means 5 minutes, 3 breaks, so 15 minutes total. So 5 into 3 is 15, so 207 minus 15 will give us 192. And so this is the time of four periods which are equally divided. So 192 by 4 will give us 48 minutes. So this is an answer. Thank you.